Welcome to episode 4 of Clapper to Dapper. This episode, we are going to replace the lower ball joints in the front. In episode 2, we replaced the end links and then the lower control arm bushings. So here we are going to replace the ball joints because I saw those were broken or ripped and decided they needed to be replaced. So we're going to get started on that. I already took the wheels off. We're getting started on this bad boy. All right, in episode 2, we replaced these guys here and the other bushings for this guy, the control arm. So here, in order to take this off, we gotta pull our end link. So we're gonna unbolt it down here, rotate it out of the way, and then we gotta unbolt from there and pop this guy out. So this bolt's nice and clean, as you can see from last time, so that'll be easy to pop off. The thing I'm gonna struggle with is down here, so we'll have fun with that. Sway bar end link. Mine are size 13 because I got a different nut for it, but yours should be a size 12 if it's stock. Probably should have loosened these when it was a little more on the ground. I feel like these are getting stressed out a bit. There we go. Boom. These are already loose. Let's see, I think it's size 14. That's not going to be enough. We'll loosen it with this. Jeez. Wait. All right, here we go. Oops. Boom, bada boom. It's off. Next step, because I'm gonna do it while this is still in. We got to get this guy straight. Okay, grab a screwdriver. Pry this John back. This other side. Boom. Take a set of pliers, straighten these out, pinch together. Then get this cotter pin out, just grab it and have to weasel it in and out. Out. Gonna take our impact, size 19. Gonna get this bad boy off. And throw this pin in up here. Put this bad boy in and pry down. Like I said, I already had these out, so that's why it came out so easy. Now the part I'm stuck on is actually getting these out. So I've already attempted all this on the other side, but now I'm stuck with trying to get this guy out. Oops. As you can see, it's rusty dusty. So we'll see. I have a pickle fork I'm trying to use on it, but it's not budging. All right, I actually found out how to get this out. You take your pickle fork, shove it in here, get this guy. Just need to flip this bee around. Hammer it on. Oh, shit. Then you just smack down. There we go. Easy peasy. All right, so everything's cleaned up on there. I was getting ready to install these new ball joints, and I realized, I'll show you the part number. So these are ordered from AutoZone. If you buy these, I want you to know that the pictures are wrong, and it does not come with a cotter pin and castle nut. So this is the locking nut style. Do your research. From my own research, I think these are safe to run. I am gonna run some Loctite with them, just to be sure, but this style has been around for a while, and it's also safe, but I know a lot of people prefer a cotter pin and a castle nut. So just for your information on this part, if you order it. All right, everything's installed. A little hint or tip and trick: put this end in first and secure it here, because it's way easier to bend it down into there. So I did this one like that. Literally took me 2 minutes. Bop, bop, done. The other side I just spent 25 minutes, because I first did the bottom here like that and then tried to angle it in, and it took forever. I had to turn the wheel a little bit back and forth, get it at different angles, and just smack it with a mallet, and it finally went. But highly recommend throw it up in here first and then do this next. All right, she's about back together. We got it in back here. The upper bolt is 37 foot-pounds. The lower one is 30 foot-pounds. I just cranked him down as much as I could with a wrench, which was definitely past 30. And then we got the lower bolt here for the end link that gets set to 22 foot-pounds. And then the tire we're gonna throw back on that gets set to 69 foot-pounds. All right, on that note, I'm gonna end the video here. This is episode 4 of Clapper to Dapper. So next episode, we're gonna take the power steering out, get that handled. Have a good night, y'all.